Kuqikelela ukuba baphezu kwe-3 million abantwana abazingedama kweli. Abanye kwaba benza eli nani. Baphuma kumakhaya agcina iingedama kwiphondo laseGauteng bezokuzonwabisa. Abaququzeleli bathi le ndibano yeyokwenza abantwana bazive bethandwa.
They don't get lots of opportunities. You know, they're in orphanages and it's difficult for them. So things like this are so special for them and they really enjoy it so much.
Bafumene nethuba lokonwatyiswa ngumphathiswa we-Social Development uFaith Mazibuko.
Want children to really enjoy being children. That is why as government we say, with our theme of working together to protect children, want every child really to feel protected, want every child to really have a shelter, want every child not to go to bed hungry. And those parents that traffic their children, really they must refrain from doing it.
Nabo ke balonwabile usuku lwabo.
Did you have fun today?
I'll go make some balloon and then they paint me at there.
I learned how to paint and not bullying others.
Ekugqibeleni kukhululwe iibaloons eziyi-1000 njengenxalenye yokunceda ukubonakalisa ukunyuka kwamazinga eengedama eMzantsi Afrika. Ndingumalungelo Buyi, ePitoli.